So I believe more than just dealing with ad hoc solutions to our problems, it's more important that we institutionalize our approach to the problems which the bar faces, whether it's in terms of listing or otherwise. Elevation of the members of the bar. As Chief Justice of the Allahabad High Court, I had the signal pleasure of having brought several judges of the High Court from the bar of the Supreme Court. I do believe that, lawyers land up practicing in the Supreme Court sometimes as a matter of fortuitous circumstance. It's never by design. Where you are is sometimes just a product of your circumstances. Somebody comes here to study law and then you settle down here and you become a member of the Supreme Court bar. I don't think many of us can say, well, I designed that I should be here as a member of the bar. Something which I can let out by way of a secret, which is that so many of us, when a young lawyer appears before us, the instinct which you have as judges who have come from the high courts is to say, is this person not good enough for being appointed as a judge of the High Court? And I have my own list of lawyers which I have in my mind. I'm sure all my colleagues have that. And I've been constantly mentioning those names to the Chief Justices who have preceded me. And I'm sure that the Supreme Court, which has some of the best young minds in the country, would really be able to contribute very greatly to the enrichment of our high courts, so long as we balance, of course, the needs of the high court lawyers also to be considered for appointment. So this is really an ongoing process which we will follow. I think the chief problem which we have today is of judicial vacancies. There are 25% of the posts in the district judiciary today are vacant. 30% of the sanction strength in the state judiciaries is vacant. And of course, we have a few vacancies in the Supreme Court as well.